We really like having people in your space on the show, purely because of like the number of war stories that they have around like weird and wonderful things. Is there anything that stands out over the last 10 years?
When you are at scale doing anything in insurance, but especially, when you're having all of these personal interactions, right? Mm-hmm. You've got 1,000+ inspectors that are interacting with literally millions of policyholders, over the years. There's there are plenty of war stories. Things happen. When you have those types of things, and we've seen it all. We've had inspectors who have been, accosted, who've, had firearms pulled on them, countless dog attacks and bites, and it's never a dull moment for sure. And then from a business perspective, navigating each one of those situations, is very difficult. Yeah. And
starting to sound very sensible to take the person out of this.
Yeah, this mobile app makes a ton of sense nowadays.
And it's very true. We laugh, but it's a big part of it. Yeah. The reality is, for any homeowner, right? No homeowner wants to have their home inspected, right? Like, again, remember, we're not talking about, this is an insurance inspection, right? This is not a new home purchase, like a mortgage inspection, like the inspection that you have to get to qualify for a mortgage, right? And so when people think of an insurance inspection, it's not something that anyone enjoys or looks forward to, because they think, they're just going to, everyone automatically thinks, they're just trying to raise my rates, right? The inspector's going to find something, and that's going to cause my rates to go up. Yep. And generally speaking, that's not true. However, if there is some major deficiency with your property or whatever, that is our role. That's what the carrier is hiring us to do, right? Yeah. They want to be able to accurately underwrite that property. So, but back to the point is that, yes, like that service that we provide, that underwriting inspection, nobody wants to have a stranger show up at their home and scrutinize their property. When, again, from the policyholder's general perspective, the only possible outcome is a negative outcome. There's not really a net positive for them. Yeah. So certainly from that perspective, removing that friction point is a good thing for everyone involved.